Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you a car I was working on. This is a Qvale Mangusta, which everybody knows the Mangusta was a Di Tommaso made in the late 60s, like last one was built in 69. So this car here, Di Tommaso was supposed to be on board and it was going to be another Di Tommaso Mangusta, but for some reason they backed out, so they brought in the guy named Qvale, who I do believe, according to the internet, was a importer of exotic cars. So basically what this car is a custom-built body and chassis made in Modena, Italy, and it's got a Ford drivetrain. This car here has basically, it's a Mustang, except it does have independent rear suspension. So when you look into the interior, you can see it's got a Ford dashboard, Ford steering wheel, airbag, Ford seats. Everything has been rewrapped in leather, including the dashboard, the heating and air conditioning controls, the automatic transmission. Now on this car here, and here it is, the Mangusta label, all leather, smells like leather. It's definitely good. This car here is kind of rare because it is the automatic car, and the automatic cars don't have the Cobra engine. This car should have the Cobra engine in it, but it does not. It has the regular 4.6 liter Mustang GT engine. So 4.6 single overhead cam, GT Ford engine, hydro boost brakes, power steering, air conditioning, all that stuff. The body is like a plastic, very nicely done, very nicely done. But if this car was a stick, it would have the double overhead cam Cobra engine in it. So I just thought I'd put it up on the channel real quick. It's a very nice looking car. Oh, and also too, you take this top off and you put it in the trunk, and then the B pillar here takes and rotates down inside the car. I don't do that because I don't want to what if it breaks? I don't want to be responsible for that. But here you go. Here's the Mangusta label and the tail lights. I don't really want to show the guy's license plate. Qvale, very nice little sports car, two-seater. It's hard to get in and out of, but it basically feels like you're driving a Mustang. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. You can always subscribe down there in that corner there, and please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. Very beautiful car.